Whenever a woman thinks about a breast surgery, she can find thousands of videos on Google showing breast implants, breast lifts, and whatnot. However, trust me, most of my patients really don't know what they require, whether they require a lift or an implant. Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Estevo Cosmetic Clinic, Sake. Today in this video, I'm going to help you choose between breast implants and breast lift. Breast implants are the procedure of choice in two categories. One, in a young girl who's always had small breasts and is not comfortable with her body proportions. Two, and most common, is a woman in her late 40s who has a sagging and also loss of volume following breastfeeding. Now, how do implants help? One, obviously, by restoration of volume, and two, because of the shape of the implant, you also get a slight lift where the sagging is mild. So if you are looking for correction of minimal sagging along with augmentation, then breast implants are the ideal procedure. Now let's talk about who requires a breast lift surgery. Breast lift surgeries are for women who have sagging in their breast with or without loss of volume. So who's the most common candidate? This is a woman who's given birth to a child and now has postpartum sagging of the breast. So if your family is complete and you're unhappy with the sagging breast, you are an ideal candidate for a breast lift surgery. What we essentially do in this surgery is to lift up the breast tissue, take away the excess skin, and also reposition the nipple to where it was before the sagging developed. This is sometimes done as a standalone procedure, that is just a breast lift, and in some cases where the volume is not good, that also is taken care of using a small implant along with the breast lift, which is called an implant mastopexy procedure. A third option is to do a breast lift and now add volume using fat grafting, where fat is taken from specific areas of the body and is grafted onto the breast, thereby increasing the volume along with providing a lift. Now, many patients want that we avoid this kind of a procedure simply because this has more scarring compared to a breast implant. However, I always explain to my patients that if you are a candidate for a breast lift and you simply choose an implant, you will not get a lift. What you will get is a heavier breast which is still hanging down. So aesthetically, it's not going to look good. Also, as far as the scarring goes, the scar is only in the lower part of the breast. The upper part of the breast is completely scar-free. So it's a small trade-off for the kind of lift you get, for the kind of shape you get. So never choose a breast implant over a breast lift surgery simply because the scar is less visible in a breast implant. Rather, please have a proper consultation with your plastic surgeon and he or she will guide you as to what is the best procedure suited for you. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends who might be looking for a breast procedure. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you.